Hello everyone, once again welcome back to another session. Today this video is gonna work through the appliance status in the security and SD-WAN for the Cisco Meraki MX. We're gonna go to the dashboard, we're gonna go to the appliance status page, we're gonna go item by item to explain in details and description about what it does and what is useful for you. This is a very good feature in Cisco Meraki, as you have all the information just one page with different tabs which gonna show you more information and more details regarding your device and even the clients they are connected. Let's go to the dashboard and let's try. Today we're gonna look this network, especially security and SD-WAN appliance for this Cisco Meraki MX. We go to security and SD-WAN appliance status. Here you can see which is the name I prefer this MX. You can configure and you can change it easily from here. We go have the MAC address here and the model of this MX. Here you can place your address of your MX. So if you wanna put a specific address, you can put your address, then save it. This is gonna be one spare configuration. If you want to be one spare with another MX, you can click here and add information here and put the device serial number and the uplink IPs, then update. After that we can go down, we can see the public IP address of this MX. This MX has one uplink configured already. This is gonna be the host name. If you want to change, you can change it from here. The serial number of the MX you would find in the side of this text. The tag is to assign a specific tag to the device that you can recognize of changes in the organization overview option. Notes is to make a specific note you wanna add here for you on understanding in future. The firmware is gonna be up to date right now, and you will see the firmware version of this MX and the config. Always check on this, because sometimes if you make changes of dashboard hasn't been applied to the MX, you will see here. And this button to remove this appliance for this network. Go back off, we'll have so many tabs. We can see summary, uplink, DHCP, location, tools. Going down, historical data is gonna be all the current client of your MX, as well as all the relevant information for you to see at a glance. If we move to see all the tabs, which is uplink, we can see all the uplink information and all the IP address configuration and the live data. Here you can see the live traffic of the MX. From here you can identify if there is a high traffic is going through the MX. Going back up to DHCP, if the MX has VLANs are configured with the DHCP server, you can see, and all the use IP address are here. And going back to the location, you can pinpoint your location here. In the tools, and this is the tab which I am most excited about is all the troubleshooting tools that you need to create, to test, or able to troubleshoot in your network. We're gonna start with the ping. You can select the source IP address from any VLANs, from any internet to even any client of the LAN side or any public IP address of the internet. Here ping appliance is gonna use internal security appliance to the Meraki to ensure that Meraki dashboard is able to ping in this appliance. If you want to do reboot your appliance, you can easily do reboot from this button, reboot appliance. P-Link leads. This case is if you don't know where is the device, is use that tool. You can identify the device using this tool. Dashboard to output. This is the something that is important, is to measure what you have relevant information about what is the throughput acquired from this security appliance to the dashboard. Trace route is regular. We used to MTR. MTR is gonna be show all details information about packets and the loss. And DNS lookup is very important for us to identify if any DNS server is replying or any information getting afterwards. At the end, ARP table, if you run, you can see all the MAC address, IP address that we have in this ARP table for this MX. And that's everything that you can see, identify in the appliance status page. Thank you so much for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.